Ay, ulit, ulit. Game na ba? It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. Yeah! We go to a party and everyone turned to sleep. This beautiful lady, yeah, was walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love out in your eyes. And I wonder of it all, and you just